Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I need to put about s equals to the square root of number 3 times t, because if I put this one gone here, you got about 3 times t square. Number 3, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. So we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about ds equals to the square root of number 3 secant of t square dt. So I need to put this one gone here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 3 times t square. Number 3, we can do about factorization. This one we change secant of t square. The square root of secant of t square, you got about secant of t. Now we need to simplify the square root of number 3 secant of t on numerator and denominator. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and then we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 3. And then you got about t equals to tan of this one. So we need to put this one to change for t. We know that tan with tan, you got about this one. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.